Morning, Ratty. How are we? Good. Yeah, it is afternoon actually. 12:30. How are we? Good, good. I missed your call yesterday. Have we managed to get the joggers done? Okay. To have the joggers as well, obviously, because it's cold now. It's getting cold. It will just add to the collection, tie in with the whole collection. He would then bring the whole collection into one instead of them all being like kind of mishmash. I need them two joggers for the photo shoot as well. So it kind of needs to be all together. But if that's possible, because then one can be sent for can be used for the photo shoot. The other one could be then used for the ecom photos. Perfect. How are we looking time wise? Yeah, yeah. That's fine. That's perfect.